happy music.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Pure Bliss Organics Beauty. If today is your first time of watching, please hit on the subscribe button. Today I will be showing you how I make my black soap for flawless and glowing skin. Black soap is good for the skin. It helps fade discolorations and dark spots. So guys, if you find this video helpful, hit on the notification bell so you could be updated with every new video I make, and give this video a like. So guys, this is what I'll be needing for today's recipe. Remember to keep a clean workspace. Hygiene is very important. Wash your hands or use hand gloves, and make sure your bowls and everything you're going to be using is highly sterilized. I'm going to be starting with my organic powders. I'll be needing 2 tablespoons of each of these powders. My vitamin C powder, 2 tablespoons. Here I have my citric powder, and I have also my sandalwood powder, which is very good for exfoliating the skin. I'll also be adding oatmeal powder filled with antioxidants, turmeric powder, which is a natural whitening powder. Mulberry powder is also very good for glowing the skin. Giga White powder, my cinnamon powder, snow white powder, and my licorice powder, which helps fade discoloration of the skin. I'll also be adding in essential oils. I have different essential oils which are already put in this bowl. You could add any essential oils of your choice. Here I also have coconut oil, which is an excellent moisturizer. This coconut oil smells so good, and it's also very good for the skin. Here I also have my whole milk. Goat milk is a better option, but I have to make do with what I have available at home. Then I'll be adding also honey. This is natural, full of antioxidants, and helps to create that glow to the skin. I will also be adding my lightening serum, Kojic lightening serum. You could also add any lightening serum of your choice. Then I'll be adding to the mixture also my lemon. So lemon oil is very good for whitening the skin. And also my carrot oil. This is my DIY carrot oil. I'll be leaving the link down below so you could watch on how I make my own carrot oil. Make your research guys. Carrot oil has so many benefits to the skin. So this is our main ingredients for today. Black soap. This is actually the Moroccan black soap. I love to use the Moroccan black soap because it's easier for me to work with, because I don't like to pound. Black soap contains vitamin A and E. It has and contains so many skin nourishing benefits. It helps to heal skin problems such as acne, eczema, and fade skin discoloration. I'll be needing a medium-sized bowl to help mix in all my ingredients. First, I'll put in my black soap. Oh, this black soap is really good, and it will be very easy for me to work with. Then I'll pour in my powders. These are all organic powders. We're not mixing any chemical here. These are natural products from plants, and some are also derived from animals.
This is happy music.
You will then need to mix in the powders first into your black soap. Mix very well. So this is how your soap looks like after mixing it with your powders. Then put in your other ingredients, your oils. Here I'll be putting in my coconut oil, cold pressed coconut oil. You could microwave this or do a double boiler method, but since I'm going to be mixing, it's okay for me to use like that. Then I'll be adding in my essential oils. I have different essential oils in this bowl. Then I'll be adding in my wholemeal powder. You could use goat milk powder, or raw goat milk can also be used. Then I'll be adding in my honey. Honey is very good for the skin. Do your research, guys. These are really good ingredients. My kids can use this soap. I'll be adding in also 2 tablespoons of my carrot oil into the mixture. For the measurements, guys, and the ingredients, please check under the description box. Then I'll be adding in my Kojic serum. I just have some drops left. You could add more drops or 2 tablespoons. Here also I have my lemon oil. I'll be adding 3 to 4 drops of my lemon oil. You could add more drops of your choice. So guys, first of all, I always like to dig in with my hands to be sure I get into all the lumps in my recipe, because I don't like to use my black soap when I'm in the bathroom and see those lumps inside. I dig in real good, but I'm very impatient, so I'll need my mixer to do the job fast for me. You can use your pounder. Your hands can also do the job if you have the patience, or you could also use your mixer for the mixing. Wow, this looks already so yummy. It looks like chocolate pudding. I feel like licking some right now. Yes. I I try to scoop everything out of the mixer. Nothing should go to waste. I love this consistency, but if you want your black soap thicker, you could add more base soap at this point to give you that thicker look, but I love my consistency just exactly the way it is. Then I'll be pouring this into a bowl that I already sterilized. Make sure you always sterilize everything you use, guys, please, so your cream or your soaps or whatever recipes you make at home don't go bad. You could also add your fragrance or preservative. I like my black soap without any fragrance or any extra preservatives because I already have my lemon oil in there. You can now pour your soap into your sterilized, clean and dry container. Wow, this is just perfect. I'm sorry guys, I'm loving this consistency, honestly. Well, this is it, guys.